How to fix video not showing safe on TikTok. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how to fix the video not showing the safe in the application TikTok. It's very simple. You just have to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. Let's imagine a situation. You open the video in the TikTok app, and by clicking the arrow on the right side of the screen, you do not watch the option to save the video. And in this video, I will show how to fix it. You just need to upload this video to a story and save it from there. Follow my next steps. To start, by opening the video which you cannot save, click on the option in the form of arrow, share to, and you need to select the option add to story. Next, click on the arrow on the right side to open the history menu, and then click on the save option, and everything. This video will be saved to you in the gallery. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.